Good morning, guys. Out here at Borderland, it's about 9:57 a.m. Today's my day off, but some bad news. It's raining pretty bad again. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but right now it's kind of just sprinkling. But on the weather radar all day, it says rain, and it's my day off from work, and I'm not just gonna sit around. So I figured I'll play a couple rounds. I got a couple people to come out, so. There is a league tonight that's happening over at Dacey Field in Franklin. I'm not sure if it's going to be canceled or not due to the rain because it could pick up a little bit more as the day goes on. I'm not sure how much I'll be filming while I'm out there because when it's cold and rainy, my phone likes to shut off even if it's at like 80% power. So I'll do my best to film a couple shots, but if not, at least you know I'm out there. I'll talk to you soon. Are you playing on something?
I pretty much teed off twice. Then I hit 3 trees. All good stuff. That's why Abel, he's a good putter. He actually played really well. That's good. That's pretty perfect. Get a skip up.
Yeah. Look how lush this forest is. All this rain bringing in fresh green. Get what? I will. This walk just looks sweet. Oh.
It's safe.
Yeah. Oh no.
Whoa! Did you make it?
Nah.
Ah.
All right. Just finished up 2 long rounds in the rain today. I played pretty good, but I kind of treated the second round as a little bit more of a learning experience. Lately I've been working on my backhand approaches a lot more, and there was a few times today where I could have just flicked my harp on a solid shot, and I just consciously took my backhand disc out, which is a Discraft APX, and I threw that instead, and it worked out most of the time, and I definitely feel more comfortable with it now. So a rain round like today definitely helps slow your game down, think about your shots a little bit more, focus on your grip a little bit more. And so I kind of just treated it as learning, and I ended up winning the first one with a +5, and I just lost the second one with like a +7. They're both pretty difficult layouts, so I'm happy with the way that I played, but all in all, it was a really solid day. I'll see you guys tomorrow.